All right, so let's work a little bit more on the material assignments for the rest of the building. So again, to do that, you go to your Manage tab and Object Styles, right? And I'm going to go to my imported objects. And actually, let's kind of push this guy over here so we can see him a little better, right? So Object Styles, Imported Objects, expand the FOBA base drawing. So now I can go in and start applying materials. So if I go to the beams here, I can come in and just do some concrete, right? What kind of concrete do I want? Let's look at the appearance of these things. No, don't want that one. Precast. No. Lightweight. It's kind of boring. Let's look at this one's okay. It's a little green. I usually will update this default one. So what I'll do is I'll go to the image and I'll really expand the image out. So clicking on the image brings up this guy, and I'll expand the sample size out to 10 feet, right? And then I'll also really pull down the image fade, and then maybe instead of making it kind of green, which is weird, like I'll make it a little blue, and then click OK, right? And then we'll click OK on that one. So that's the, let's go to graphics and use render appearance for graphics, right? So that's a concrete precast, right? And we'll click OK and apply. And let's just put that on the walls too. So, and maybe the floors, right? Just to sort of get something going. And concrete. Is it this one? No. Which one was it? I thought it was precast. No. Which one? Oh, there it is. Concrete, comma, precast. Click OK, and then hit apply, right? And I'll click OK here. Let's go ahead and go to realistic so we can kind of see, you know, what that guy is looking like, right? So there it is. Still a little fidgy, right? But you're starting to get what we want. So let's go ahead and put the glass in. So go to Object Styles, Imported Objects, and expand that. And here's the glazing for the curtain wall, right? And we'll just put glass in there. So it's a little bit easier to right, to get. And then this is probably, let's just put aluminum. Right, for the outline. And let's see, what else do we have? The roof. Oh, that's a good one. So let's do the roof. And I actually gave you a roof for this, so you can type in roof, and if you scroll down, there's a fabric roof, right? So now you've got that. What else do we have that is not applied? That one we don't need anything applied to, but you can see it's pretty quick, right, to go through. I don't know what the floor outline is. I think that's probably a line that just got stuck, and 0, there's nothing on it, so we've got it. So once you get the material applications the way you want it, that's great. You can see there's a weird discrepancy. See how it used that to start to go down. So the UVW mapping's a little funky. This one's a little better. So you might have some problems with that. So there's really not much to be done about that. Again, these lines will go away in a rendering, but if you want them to hide, you would have to either Boolean union them in the program that you're using, or hide them manually here. So let's go to our views sheet. right? And you're starting to see the materials come through right here and here. So let's go ahead and view hide that guy, right? So you're starting to get those, and it will work in Inkscape. All right, so when we come back, we'll talk about sort of linking and updating.